With my good friend Macharia Muhoho, who is a mixed martial arts expert. Yes, at his tender age. He's younger than me by the way, and he's an expert in MMA. How? I have no idea. So when did you start having this MMA by the way, Macharia? Karibuni.
Asante sana. Now, for mixed martial arts, we have different categories. Personally, I started training martial arts in Kenya in 1996 at a tender age.
Yes, exactly.
Very young, because I saw what my brothers were practicing. They were in different professions, and so I got that particular interest. Then with time, when I moved on to different universities, I learned different arts. Personally, I've trained judo, I've trained ancient karate, and currently I'm doing Wing Chun and grappling, that is jiu-jitsu. So it's a mixture of all those things that now we call mixed martial arts. So professionally, if you want to ask, how did I start MMA? Yes. In 2013, I started MMA. First of all, I toured South Africa. That's how I got a lot of training and insights about this particular sport. Then I met a friend of mine. He's known as Coach Bobby Ware. Yeah. For him, he trained in the United States of America. So we started African Mixed Martial Arts before now coming on board with now Top Dog Fighting Championships. Yeah. Because this is a colleague of mine who is also in Canada, but currently is in Kenya. We're organizing this particular event.
Very true. Yeah. Steve Biko, the news that we're having the very first time took on a MMA. Me, I watch it only on TV. It's very exciting, trust me. And I always tell myself it's done by experts. Me, I'm just an amateur. Wewe ulianza lini, unatrainiaga wapi?
First of all,
na unajisikiaje imekaa wase it hasn't that you watch out, it was
sure. Yes. First, I thank God for all these fires brought me to. Without God's grace, I won't be here. Second, to my family. Third, to my friends. So for martial arts, I started around when I was in primary school.
Ni primo gani inafunza MMA? Unajua lazima tuseme MMA kwa sababu ile shule inaitwa Mayakalo hapo Kakamega, mimi na martial arts. Sisi tulikuwa tunafanya tu masama kwa kutumia tairi.
From primary, I used to go in a place called Railways, it in Kisumu. After schooling, I used to go there with my brother. In high school, Otieno High School, used to do it in the kabush inside with few manga kids there.
Mnalimana huko kwa kichana.
And then after high school is when I get into proper fighting and training martial arts. My first martial arts was karate. I did for like 6 months. Next was taekwondo. Yes. After that, I ventured in Thai boxing, and I'm glad now I'm advancing more on Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, Krav Maga, and Thai boxing.
Where?
Yeah.
Roba?
Yeah.
Where ulianzia wapi? And of course, this event is the very first time. Watu wengi wajui MMA. Most people, in fact, when they're watching this clip, hata nilikuwa nasikia kwa gallery, my director wangu anapiga tunduru. Oh, hey. It's done by professionals. I'm sure you also have gone through the ranks, Robert.
Sasa mimi nilianzia, first nilikuwa nataka kuchange hood yangu pale Kibera namba 8.
Yes.
Because sasa kulikuwa na challenges zilikuwa pale ya vijana. Na enzi hizo nilikuwa nimetoka shule. Sikuwa na ile hela ya kuendelea shuleni. So nilikuwa nataka at least kufanya community yangu ione sports pia. When you don't have anything, si ati penye imefikia hapo una give up. So nilikuwa nataka kuwa a role model. So from then ndo nikatafuta kitu ya kufanya, kaza na karate. Kutoka hapo nikasikia kuna mama alipita anaitwa Mama Glenn. Akaniambia kuna mzungu anatafuta mafighters. Unaweza? Pale Adams. Nikamwambia Adams ni wapi? Sasa pia sikuwa natembea sana. So nikatembea pale Adams, nikaingia pale. Wakaniuliza, what do you want to be? Nikamwambia fighter. I came here to fight. Sema fighter. Na coach alikuwa mwendo wazimu, alikuwa mkali sana. Akaniambia, let's see what you have. Akanipatia pale gloves na ule mwenye amekoma ameshakuwa kwa hiyo thing. Tukajaribiana, though nilibleed, nilitoka na my injuries, but coach aliona kitu kutoka kwangu pale. So kutoka hapo ndio nikaendelea, nikaanza fight yangu ya kwanza I think 2012-2013 mimi na Steve. Nilimpata kwa gym fulani, nikamsport, nikamwambia nadhani Steve unaweza fanya kitu kama tu kwe hapa. Kibati mzuri tukapata mzazi pia hapa. Nashukuru sana. Na pia pale mtaa huyo mzungu alikuwa anaitwa Coach Andre, yeye ndio baba Muitai. Kenya yeye ndiye alileta akatufungulia njia pale Colosseum. Fitness Center pale Adam Circuit. So hapo ndo nikaendelea mpaka fight yangu ya kwanza, ya pili, mpaka kwa hii manifesto hii hapa, Top Dog fighting.
Fantastic.
Thing, yeah.
Hey, Macharia, nasikia unaitwa baba. Sijui unaitwa nini. But of course, for the very first time, what does it really mean? Inamaanisha nini for Kenyan, especially for those who never got a chance now to get it competitive and to bring such thing for them to participate in?
In fact, Kwalanda, mixed martial arts is a very promising match or a game. It's among the fastest rising sports in America. All of us, we know Conor McGregor, and we remember he fought even Floyd Mayweather. And when he did it, they recouped a lot of cash from that particular bout. Now, for mixed martial arts, it's only in East and Central Africa whereby we are not actually participating in probably tournaments like UFC or anything. In South Africa, they have extreme fighting championships. In West Africa, we also have that particular match. But in East and Central Africa, now we are trying to make sure that for the first time ever, we bring this particular sport in East and Central Africa. So it's, you can imagine, somebody like him with his background, that is Biko. For him, we remember him very well. He was, in fact, an ambassador, he's still an ambassador of Blaze. He has been doing Thai kickboxing and everything. So for mixed martial arts, we don't want people just to do probably Muay Thai alone or karate alone. We are trying to make sure that this particular sport, every people participate. And now, let me add something, Kwalanda.
Yes, please.
In fact, for the tournament on Thursday, it's not about just Muay Thai and everything. We are having all arts represented.
Okay.
Yes. And I know we have people from, say, karate, judo, we have taekwondo guys, and we also have representation from from Uganda, Tanzania, and Southern Sudan. Yes. So it really means well. When I see now juniors like Biko and Roba here, it's promising. Now they can at least recoup from their talents.
Very, very true. And of course, it's at Space Lounge. Why Space Lounge? Why not Kasarani? Why not... Kwa nini umeipeleka huko?
Yes.
Na niliona pia inakuaga na warembo. Okay, but why Space Lounge?
Okay, the reason why we are doing Space Lounge is because this particular match, this particular area of sport, mixed martial arts, it really needs different things to be involved for it to be called mixed martial arts. Yes. We are fighting for the first time in East and Central Africa inside a cage. And this particular cage, you will see it in UFC and One Championship. It's 8 meters by 8. That means that we really need a lot of space to accommodate this particular cage. Apart from that also, we are looking at how tall the cage is. I am 6.2, but the cage is 9 meters from the ground. That means that it's huge. So space provided us that particular environment. We wanted, and also another thing is, because mixed martial arts has not been known here in Kenya very well, we're trying to test the waters. We are not trying, we are testing the waters. We are organizing the first event so that by the next second event in East and Central Africa, people will have known what mixed martial arts is.
Very true. And of course, I want to give you, I think I have like 3 minutes. And I understand, director, tunaweza fanya demonstration, si ndio? Wakuja hapa mbele, mimi nabeba meza niishie. Ama unaonaje watu wasimame hapa mbele, alafu wakuje hapa mbele. Of course, remember it's mixed martial arts. It's the top, in fact, Macharia, it's top dog fighting championship. It's at Space Lounge on Thursday. Wacha wa demonstrate tu kidogo, usiende mbele sana Steve Biko, tukaribia hapo. So that this Thursday you will be seeing professional. It's done by professionals. By the way, usijaribu kitu mtaani, utapeleka msee blackout. Director, nibebe imeza niishie nini? Of course, I remember on 8th of August, tickets zinabaiwa wapi by the Macharia?
Tickets zinabaiwa Kenya Buzz.
KenyaBuzz.com.
It's an online platform.
Spell Kenya Buzz. Ile Kenya, that's B-U-Z.
Yes.
Z.
Yeah, .com.
.com.
Yes.
KenyaBuzz.com is where you'll get yourselves a ticket. Kesho wako hapa pia, and so I'll try and convince Macharia to try and give us some free tickets so that yes, mkuje muwatch. Hata mimi nitasponsor kadhaa, kwani iko nini. So of course they're going to demonstrate. Steve Biko is top and together with my friend Robertson. Wanataka kufanya, wacha wasivunje maglass. though tuko insured, mkaribie tu kwa hiyo meza, mkae tu around hiyo meza. So hivyo ndo kunaendanga.
Yeah. So,
Yes.
Kolanda,
Yes.
before they start, probably the way they will be doing it.
Yes.
For mixed martial arts, how different is it from these other types of sport?
Yes.
Is it involves 3 things. It involves the striking, the clinching, and the grappling. So striking, for guys who are very good in, say, Muay Thai and kickboxing, it involves all that. Then the ultimate of it is now taking the fight now to the ground, which we usually call grappling. Yes.
Wacha wewe. In fact, mimi nimetoa meza, nimeenda. We director, lazima mimi ndio guest leo. Wacha wafanye maneno yao. Mko na dakika 1:30.
Hii inafanywa na professionals, and for the first time we are trying to start with the amateur before now it goes real pro. So as you can see, he's using his arms. I want them to go down.
Yes. There's normally the place they go down, wanakunjana mabega na mikono.
Biko, I need you guys to go down.
Waende chini kidogo, sio?
Yes. Yes.
Director wanaenda chini.
Wanaenda chini to show us a few movements in grappling.
Inaendanga hapo. I know they normally wanakunjananga huko chini.
Yes.
Then they move, they defend and all that.
In fact, the advantage of mixed martial arts is because it's a street fight. Actually, you can meet somebody you're fighting on the street, and this is basically where most of the fights usually end.
Na kwanga pia kuna kwanga na ile una tap out ni unakunjwa mguu mkono.
I think tomorrow I'll take you through the rules and regulations.
Hii watu wajue tu kesho kuna moto. So thank you so much, Steve.
Like you see now.
Thank you. That's Steve, of course, Robert and Macharia. Yes, so kesho na tupromise nini?
Yeah, tomorrow I'll take you through the rules and also give you a free tickets here and there.
Meskia, so kesho muwatch. From me, Tony Kolanda, good afternoon. Thank you so much.